cooks, welcome back to the Cookbook Club. Today we're making best chicken stew, right? We are cooking this month out of America's Test Kitchen. Cook it in your Dutch oven. We have a Dutch oven right here, a beautiful stove, right? We're going to put this recipe to the test. Is it going to be great?
Of course.
Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. Welcome back. If this is the first time you've ever been with us, we have a series called the Cookbook Club, and we pick one cookbook a month and we cook out of it every single week. So we cook 4 recipes out of it. We are in the Cook It in Your Dutch Oven book by America's Test Kitchen. Like I said, we're making the best chicken stew because it's going to be fall, right?
Sure.
I'm making a little bit of change because they use chicken wings and then they throw them out. I'm going to use chicken thighs and breasts because that's what I like. So we have some chicken thighs here, which I'm substituting for my chicken wings. We're just going to give them a little salt and fresh cracked black pepper on both sides. We're going to give them a little flippy-doo-dah. Flippity-doo-dah! And a little more salt. And a little more pep. Pep, pep, pep. And we need to cover these with some plastic wrap. Okay, so we have a little plastic wrap on here. We're going to go ahead and zippity-doo with this. And we're going to set this aside. Okay, so we are starting this out with some bacon cut up.
Bacon!
You can use whatever kind of bacon you want. If you want to use regular bacon, turkey bacon, chicken bacon, beef bacon, whatever bacon.
Bacon.
We're going to go ahead and cook this bacon right up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Not paying attention. Gotta get the bacon out.
Well, they said crispy.
That it is. That it is.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna take our chicken thighs here. Chicken thighs, and we're gonna put it in here and cook it in that grease.
Mm-hmm.
We need to cook this until it's well brown on each side. Okay, I'm going to take this here chicken out.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to use this here. Put some onion in there. Yeah. We're going to put some celery in here.
Yeah.
We're going to put some fresh thyme. This is thyme from Eva's garden.
That's Farmer Eva's garden.
I'm going to put some garlic in there. Is that okay?
Sure. What do you got there? 100,000 cloves?
62,000 million cloves.
Ooh.
And we're going to be scraping these bits off as this goes along. We're going to cook this for a few minutes and soften it. Okay, these are looking pretty good, and we're going to be doing something a little strange. We're going to be putting in some chicken broth. Thank you, Boo.
Sure.
We're going to be putting in some dry white wine. And we're going to be putting in a little soy sauce. And and we're going to increase the heat to high. So we have the scrape here to get all those brown bits off the bottom and into that broth, right? So they want us to increase the heat to high and boil this sucker down until it's dry. Basically, the vegetables are going to start sizzling again until almost dry and vegetables begin to sizzle again. 12 to 15 minutes. So we will see if I can achieve that. Okay, so this is looking pretty good. It is definitely sizzling and all that liquid has evaporated. We're going to put in some butter. So we're going to melt this butter in here. Oh, they did put anchovy paste, but I just skipped it. We got some flour going on in here. We're going to stir that in. We're just going to cook that for a minute or so. And we're going to whisk in some chicken broth. Just stirring this until the lumps are gone and the bits are off the bottom. Okay, this is looking pretty good. We're going to go ahead and put these chicken thighs that we cooked. We're going to go ahead and put those in here, just like this. And we're going to put this in the oven for about a half hour. It's at 375. We're going to put it in the oven uncovered for about a half hour. Okay, so we put the thighs in here. We're going to put some carrots in here. Yeah. We're going to put some red potatoes cut into chunks. We're also going to put the bacon, all right?
Yeah. Now it's a party.
Yeah, that's a party now. Get this all stirred up. We're going to quickly bring this to a simmer. Then we're going to put it in the oven, 375 for a half hour. So let me bring this to a simmer really quick. Okay, so we're getting a little simmer action going on here. We're going to put this in the oven for about a half hour. We're going to stir it one time in between, so we'll probably stir it at 15 minutes. And then we'll be back. Okay, so it's been in the oven 30 minutes, and we just took it out. Oops. My God, it's coming up to a sizzling too fast. So their idea is if you use wings, you take those wings out and you discard them and you add new meat. I'm not going to do that because we use thighs. I am going to just add a little more meat in there. Looks pretty good right now, but I'm going to put a little bit more meat in there like they want, like raw, right? Because I like chicken breasts. I like chicken breasts better than thighs. That's just my personal preference. So I'm going to go ahead and put some in here. Whew. And now we're going to bring it up to a simmer again. So this is back up to a simmer. We're going to go ahead and put it back in the oven for 45 minutes. So this looks amazing. Look at that. Big old chunky stew. So a stew is a little different from a soup. Soup has broth. Stew, we have this nice, thick, almost gravy-like.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, you want some stew, boo?
Sure.
Stew, boo. Chicken, potatoes. Looks amazing. Seriously. And bacon.
Mm-hmm.
You want some gravy in there too? Stew gravy? You ready, boo?
Sure. You.
I think he's ready.
I've been ready for the last
2 hours.
When you're cooking up bacon, I was ready.
Yeah, he just wanted to halt the whole operation and take the bacon.
Take the bacon and run. Spoiler alert, though. It tastes spiffy.
Tasty?
Boy, howdy.
Okay, Dutch oven. This is a must-have for your kitchen. If you don't have a Dutch oven yet, it's time to get one. Cast iron Dutch oven. This is a stove. It is amazing. I absolutely love it.
Hit that gravy, Boo.
Hit the gravy?
Hit the gravy. That gravy's good.
That is good.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't put any extra salt. I don't think it needed it.
No, this actually tastes pretty good the way it is. Potatoes are bright.
This is comfort food.
Mm-hmm.
Tender potatoes.
Carrots came out.
Hot.
Well, of course it's hot. Of course, now we gotta eat the chicken, right?
Mm.
Mm.
Here's some of the chicken.
Mm-hmm.
This is the best chicken stew. Links for this will be down in the description. Links for this will be down in the description. Get this for this upcoming fall and winter. This right here will comfort your soul.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. It's absolutely delicious. Mm. Mm. I'm on my way to finish my stew. Thanks for joining me.